Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Halo Mini on a really lovely Kia Sportage 2023 hybrid. So how the system works, as soon as I open the door, if you watch carefully, we've got a flash from the parking light. If I now try and start it, you'll see the vehicle will start, go to ready. But if I try and select a gear, it just won't let me select a gear. So now I'm just going to insert the code which we're going to change. So if you watch carefully, tap, 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 tap. There you go, we've got the handshake, and now we're able to select a gear, okay? There you go, we're able to go drive, okay? Really simple, really straightforward. As soon as I turn off the start button and open the door, if you watch carefully, double flash, the system is now armed. Okay, so if I try and start it again, we'll start the vehicle. It just won't allow me to go into drive, okay? So if we insert the code again, if you watch carefully, code which we're going to change, so tap, 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 tap. We're going to get a double flash, and now if you watch carefully, we're able to put it into gear. Okay, we're able to drive it. Really simple, really straightforward. If we want to place it in valet mode, the way we would do that is without starting the vehicle, so main ignition on, so all your lights on, insert your code, so we get a disarm. So if you watch carefully, tap, 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 tap. It's disarmed already. We keep on holding for about 15 to 20 seconds and you'll see that we get 5 flashes for a handshake to say it's going in valet. There you go. There you go, it's now in valet mode. So if I now try and start it, or should I say open the door, see it's not armed, start the vehicle, goes to ready, and we'll put it in gear. Okay, we're able to drive it. When we get the vehicle back, if we want to take it out of valet mode, the way we would do that is obviously main ignition on. Okay, all your lights are on, then insert the code and hold again on the last press. Watch carefully and it'll come out of valet mode. There you go, we've got a flash, it's out of valet mode. Okay, if I now turn off the start button and open the door, system will give us double flash and it's armed. Okay. Now if I wanted to change the code, this is very simple. So without starting the vehicle, so no foot on the brake, main ignition on, insert the code to disarm it first of all to give us access to change the code. So tap, 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 tap. It's disarmed. Now we're going to tap the accelerator to the floor 10 times and we're going to get the handshake, this button learn mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go, we've got the handshake. So we're going to change the code. So tap, 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 tap. Within 5 seconds, turn it off. It's learnt the code. Open the door. Try and start it. Vehicle's gone to ready. Can't put it in gear. Let's do the new code. So tap, 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 tap. We've got the handshake. We're able to put it into gear. Okay. On here, we've also done something very special where we can send it a command from a remote tracker, and whether it's in valet mode or not. If it's in valet mode, you won't be able to select a gear. If it's not in valet mode and you send it a command, it'll paralyze the keypad and you won't be able to put it in gear until you've actually deactivated the remote immobilization. I'll show you that in one of our other videos. As I said, this is the Kia Sportage 2023 Halo Mini. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company, 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much, bye-bye.